Trans man video goes viral after sharing his pregnancy journey while transitioning.
Hey, how goes it? I am Tanias, also known to you guys as Trans King, but I am grateful for each and every one of them, or everyone that has been rocking and rolling with us for pretty much my whole journey, my whole pregnancy and all that. Y'all definitely the MVP and have definitely made this whole journey easy. And for the folks that do not know and is so confused and dense to the whole situation, I am Trans King. Get it? Trans. But anyways, I'm a transgender male. I've been transitioning. I'm coming up on my 6 years now. And I have 0 surgeries, hence the reason as to why I'm eligible to carry my child and nurse my child. For the folks that get it, get it. For the folks that don't. It is what it is. It's not for everybody, and not everybody approves of it, and it's okay. I'm not begging for anybody to rock with us like everybody else has been rocking with us. For the folks that are really invested and would like to get to know me as an individual, I do have a YouTube. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I do plan on doing a whole Q&A, a story time, and go ahead and get to really know me on a personal level. The name is Two Kings over there on YouTube, so go ahead and hit the subscribe. Again, once we get to 1,000, we'll go